Okay. Oh, that's really sharp. This is my new chair. And I've been waiting so long for this chair, and Jack ordered it for me. And basically, he put the wrong address in. We're sending it to our friends back in Rockingham, where we're from. And it auto-corrected the wrong address. And then it got sent back to New South Wales. I believe New South Wales, but I rang them. And they were like, just $25 extra postage and we'll get it to the right address. Like, it was really cool because like postage wasn't originally cheap. Oh my god, postage was not originally cheap, so that was really, really nice of them. And I was like distraught because it's like, if we don't get it sent for a certain date, I wasn't going to get the chair. Unbox my chair with me, is that what they say? Unboxing video.
Yeah.
What's in here?
I don't know, open it. That's part of the idea.
What is in here? Headrest and pocket.
Rest is on you, babe.
Oh no. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to get this chair. And here we are on the Ningaloo. Unboxing a chair that is the same colour as the Ningaloo.
More than my new chair. Have we got the kids one?
Yeah, I was going to say maybe, honestly. No, did you?
Yeah, I think I have.
No. How do I do this? Oh, it just genuinely pops out. Quite easy.
Yeah, what do you think?
This is my chair. The chair that I've waited for so long because Jack put the wrong address in. Stop it. And Jack was like, no, we don't need that. Like, it's more room. And to be fair,
They're smaller than ones I just bought.
it's smaller than the ones that he just spent lots of money on. For what it is mint. It is worth the price. And I already decided that before I even got mine. Oh, I even have a topper. Like, you just wait. I can unbox it.
Well, you can do. I'll just...
How cute are the bags?
You haven't got a cup holder.
No. My pockets. Oh. Flipping stoked. It is nice. Ready? Watch. Oh.
Yeah, but I'm all dirty because I just set the boat up.
These matches like kind of my shorts. I'm gonna go take my chair and watch the footy.
Want me to over there?